After you've connected your HMD Odyssey to your PC, you can connect the controllers like this. Press and hold the Windows button for 2 seconds to turn on the controllers. Then, remove the back cover and press and hold the Bluetooth pairing button until the lights flash. Make sure the controllers are both within Bluetooth range and that the batteries are fully charged. Select See More. Then set up controller. Next, add a Bluetooth device. Select the controller to pair. You'll see the notifications appear once connected. Do the same for the opposite controller. Finally, just put on your HMD and get ready to have some VR fun.